Hello everyone, myself Mahesh Pore. I welcome you all in our software testing tutorial. In last session, we had seen about the test management. In that, we seen the first phase of the test management, that is the test plan. Okay. We are already learned about what is meant by test plan, what data it contains, and how to prepare the test plan. Okay. Again, we already learned about the advantages or the use or importance of the test plan. In today's session, we are going to see about what are the test plan types and what the test plan template contains. Okay, so see first there are the three types of the test plan types. As you know, there are the four levels of software testing are there. Okay, for example, unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and acceptance testing. Okay, that is when you going to test your software in this four level, you must have the plan for each level of the testing. Okay, that is the second is nothing but what testing level specific test plan. You have the each level test plan, that is how to test the particular unit, what it contains, what you are going to test, who is going to test. Okay. When the number of the units are integrated together, which team member is responsible to test that one. Okay, which modules are integrated one. Okay, after all, when the all the modules or all the units are integrated, how to do the system test. Okay, so and again the acceptance in that, we are already learned about the alpha testing and beta testing. So as we learn, there are the four levels of the software testing. Okay, so you must have the plan for each level of the testing. After that, when the complete system is created, okay, you have a master test plan also. That is, it is a single high level test plan for a product that unifies all other test plans. Okay, so you must have the level specific test plan, you must have the master test plan. Again, as we learn, there are a number of the types of the testings are there. Okay, some testings are completed in in-house organization, some testings are performed by using the outsourcing. Okay, so you must have the specific testing type plan also. Okay, which module requires what testing type, what resources it requires, what human power it requires, what are the environment variable it requires. Okay, what are setups or the requirement of that particular type of the testing. Okay, for example, the plans like the performance testing and security testing. Okay, so you must have to identify that one. Okay, and you have to prepare the plan for that one. Okay, so there are the basically three types of the test plan are there. First is level specific test plans, second is master test plan, and the testing type specific test plans. Okay, so prepare that one. Okay, again, जसं आपण बघितलं युनिट टेस्टिंग, the developer is required responsible for that one. Okay, so use the manpower, that is we already learned about the resource requirement. Okay, which resource or which human resource assign which task. Okay, according to that, define the role and prepare the test plan. So next is nothing but each organization have the test plan format, which is called as a test plan template. Okay. Test planचा एक फॉर्मॅट असणार आहे. It is depending upon the organization culture. Okay. Or if you go for different organization to organization, this template may be changes. Okay. So commonly some fields are defined into the test plan template. For example, test plan identifier. Okay. So as discussed earlier, our project is divided into the number of the units. Okay, again the units are integrated, so we can combine the multiple units together and again test it. So it is because certain units are interdependent on each other; they are logically connected. After all the units are integrated, we are going for the system testing. Okay, so as you know, There are the three types of the test plan: master test plan, which is nothing but the system test plan; testing level specific means what? Unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and acceptance testing test plan. Okay. And what are the types of the test plans? Okay, type specific test plans are there. Okay. So to find out exact test plan which is going to implement it, okay, each test plan can be identified by its unique number, which is called as test plan identifier. Okay, so while creating the template, आपण कुठल्या मॉड्यूल साठी, कुठल्या इंटिग्रेटेड कंबाइनिंग साठी किंवा कुठल्या सिस्टीम साठी टेस्ट प्लॅन लिहिलेला आहे तो फाइंड आउट करण्यासाठी एक युनिक आयडेंटिफिकेशन तुम्हाला द्यावं लागेल. सो द फर्स्ट field in the test plan template is nothing but the test plan identifier. Okay. Again, the next unit you want to introduce something about that test plan. Okay, that is the introduction one, which provides the overview of the test plan, which defines the goals and the objective of that test plan. For example, suppose you are going to combine the two modules, and you want to test it in the future. Okay, so you want to specify the exact goal or the objective of that test plan. Okay. Some parameters constraints are required. You must define this constraint into the introduction. Okay. So you want to first define the identifier, introduction of that test plan template. Okay. You want to define the references, that is the list of related documents, okay, with the links to them if available, which includes the project plan, configuration management plan. Okay. Then in test plan you must define the test items. Okay. Means what? It may be software, product, or hardware. Okay, so you list the test items, which feature is tested and which is not to be tested. Okay, so test item means तिथे तुम्हाला जे फीचर्स फंक्शन्स तुम्ही टेस्ट करणार आहात सॉफ्टवेअरचे ते ॲज अ टेस्ट आयटम म्हणून तुम्हाला डिफाइन करावे लागतील. कुठले फीचर्स टेस्ट करायचे आहेत, कुठले फीचर टेस्ट करायचे नाहीत हे सुद्धा तुम्हाला मेन्शन करावं लागेल. ओके, so test plan contains all of this. Okay, again you want to define the approach. Okay, you want to mention the approach to the testing, specifying testing level, whether it is a unit, integration, system, or acceptance. You want to define the testing types, testing methods are there. Okay, for example, whether it is static, dynamic, black box, white box, or if the application is website testing, then it is a gray box. Okay, whether you are going to test it manually or by using the automation tool. Okay, so you want to define the approach in the test plan also. Okay. Next one, you want to define the pass and fail criteria. As per the specification, you have the specification document in your hand, so you want to define the passing and failing criteria in the test plan. Again, we studied about the criterias. Okay. Three criteria are there: entry criteria, suspension criteria, and exit criteria. Okay, so you want to define when to do entry, when the testing is suspended, or when to stop the testing. Okay, so you want to define all these criteria in the test plan. Again, we discussed about the test deliverables. Okay, means what? Each document which is produced before testing, during testing, and after testing is called as what? Test deliverables. It may be a document, it may be a tool, or it may be a small piece of the code. Okay, so the test plan, test cases, test scripts, defect enhancement logs, test reports are nothing but what? The test deliverables. Okay, so you want to define which is required in this list. Okay. एखादा टेस्ट प्लॅन एखाद्या युनिटला लिहिता आहे तर त्याचा टेस्ट डिलिव्हरेबल काय असेल तर ते तुम्हाला मेन्शन करावं लागेल. Again, you want to define the test environment. It requires hardware, software, or networks, okay, or certain other hardware tools. So you must have to define which setup is required to test a particular module or a particular test. So test plan करताना टेस्ट ज्या एन्व्हायरमेंट मध्ये कॅरीड आउट होणार आहेत त्यासाठी कुठले सॉफ्टवेअर्स, प्लॅटफॉर्म्स, कुठले हार्डवेअर्स लागतील हे तुम्हाला तुमच्या टेस्ट प्लॅन मध्ये मेन्शन करावं लागेल. यू वॉन्ट टू एस्टिमेट the cost. Okay, also that is how many human resources are required, how many days they work, and according to that you want to estimate in the टेस्ट प्लॅन एक एस्टिमेशन पाहिजे की एवढे एफर्ट्स एवढे दिवस किंवा एवढे कॉस्ट टेस्टिंग साठी लागणार आहे. यू मस्ट हॅव to mention the estimate in your test plan. Obviously you want to first define the schedule. Schedule सुद्धा तुम्हाला टेस्ट प्लॅन मध्ये डिफाइन करावं लागेल. It is a plan, so plan must contain the schedule. Okay, which things is tested, when, by whom, okay, and how. You want to define all that into the test plan. And staffing and training needs. Okay, so it is under the risk and its resolution. Okay. तर एखादं ॲप्लिकेशन टेस्ट करत असताना स्टाफ काय लागणार आहे, ॲप्लिकेशनचे फीचर्स काय आहेत, ते स्किल्स तुमच्या स्टाफकडे आहेत का, त्यांना ट्रेनिंग्स लागणार आहे काय ते त्या टाईपचं ॲप्लिकेशन टेस्ट करण्यासाठी. सो यू मस्ट हॅव टू डिफाइन दॅट वन इन द टेस्ट प्लॅन. ओके, again you want to define the responsibilities of the each employees in your team. Okay, you want to define their roles, whether it is individual or the team. Okay, so you want to define the identifying the particular human resource, defining their role, okay, in the test plan. So you want to again define the risks. Okay. So next one is assumptions and dependency. The list the assumptions that have been made during the preparation of the plan. कोणती गोष्ट कुठल्या गोष्टीवर डिपेंड आहे, ह्या डिपेंडन्सीज किंवा काही अजम्पशन्स ज्या सपोज ॲक्च्युअली रिअलमध्ये तुम्हाला अवेलेबल नाही होणार आहेत, त्या काही गोष्टी अजम्पशन्स करायला लागतील, त्या सगळ्या तुम्हाला माइंडमध्ये ठेवून तुम्हाला टेस्टिंग करायला लागणार आहेत. तर त्या डिपेंडन्सीज आणि काय अजम्पशन्स असतील तर तुमच्या टेस्ट प्लॅनमध्ये त्या पर्क्युलेट व्हायला पाहिजेत. ओके, एखादा टेस्ट प्लॅन किंवा टेस्टिंग अप्रुव्हल करून घ्यायचा असेल तर अप्रुव्हल्स कुणाकडून करून घ्यायचा तो टेस्ट प्लॅन, त्याचं सुद्धा मेन्शन तुमच्या टेस्ट प्लॅन मध्ये पाहिजे. हायर हिरार्ची किंवा हायर एम्प्लॉईज असतो, these persons are going to approve your test plan and all that one. You want to specify the names and roles of all persons who must approve the plan. Okay, so provide the space for the signature and the dates into the test plan template. Okay, so it is all about the test plan template. Okay, so it is in last session we had seen how to prepare the test plan. Now we had seen what are the test plan types and what the test plan template contains. Okay, in the next session we will see the other parts, other phases of the test management, that is test infrastructure management, then test people management. We will discuss the test process in software testing. Okay. In test process we will see how test design specification, test case specification, test procedures and test reporting. Okay, so we will stop here. In next session we will see the next phase of the test management. Okay, so it is all about the test plan. It is very integral part in the software testing. Okay.